We shall be hearing the whistle any time now. The countdown has started, the last 10 seconds before the whistle goes off for the actual match to start. And 3, 2, 1. And we have the whistle to start the game between the first quarter final that starts off with BRAC Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, and MIT from Pune. Again, two Pune universities coming face to face, head to head against each other. And the blue team, the automatic robots of both the teams, immediately taking their positions in a stride to take the balls into the court. But along with that, the robots that are controlled by the students in the first zone, which is the yellow zone, both the teams making strident efforts to place the seedlings in the right spots. And we see that the red team's efforts of the robots to place the seedlings in the right spots are going pretty successful, because they've been able to accumulate 4 seedlings at one go, and so has the blue team. In fact, at this moment, if we are to look at it, both the teams stand equal. 6 seedlings if both the teams have been planted in the right spot. And along with that, we now move on, hoping that they pick up the pace. So there you have the red team's robot just toppled off, but they've been able to collect it and gather it and take the momentum from there, Akshay.
Very rightly pointed out, Sakshi. Evenly balanced match, even at the section as far as the area 2 is concerned. Both of their teams' robots had a malfunctioning and they had to be brought back to the retry zone once again. So the sapling seeding as the plantation area is slightly lagging behind as far as the team BRAC in red corner is concerned. There 2 of the saplings have been dislodged and brought back to the sapling rack. But the autonomous robot is doing well as far as team red is concerned, and so is for the team blue, quickly throwing 2 more balls into the area number 3. Hopefully they will be having some kind of silos functioning there as well, because silos have been rather silent in the last 3-quarter matches that we saw. But this is the quarterfinal. This is the match they would like to win at any cost, and they are really putting every effort out there. You can see it even on the corner of your TV screens. Team in red, team in blue, both of their automatic robots and manual robots are doing their best, and especially a little bit of glitch on the manual robot there, but that seems to be fixed by team red. On its way, the team red robot is about to collect 2 more balls and go on the ramp. He is already entered the area number 3 there, Sakshi. This is looking very good. I like the way they have recovered. The team red, they have done well as far as the recovery is concerned, and the team blue is also not far behind. Their robot is also following the ramp, is surging on to the area number 3 with only 4 balls remaining into the harvest zone and 7 balls for team red. So that's where is the difference, if you can see that.
And you have the loud noise, the cheer from the supporters, the students of the blue team, almost like mission accomplished. And when the victory becomes within the sight, that's the kind of cheer you hear. But also the red team finding a lot of support today over here in their supporters. The crowd going happy, crazy, supporting their own teams. But looks like the blue team have been able to take the momentum, and the timer goes off. Happy faces, smiling faces, blue team pretty loudly smiling and jumping and hugging, because they almost know that they've got it in their pocket. We'll have to wait for the results to come out from TP Singh Ji. The match referee will be coming out to give the results, but pretty evident that the blue team believes that they have got this game in their pocket.
So these are the replays that will tell you the story of this first quarterfinal that is played out between BRAC Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, who took on the mighty MIT WP University from Pune. And that technical glitch in area number 2 as far as team red is concerned seems to be the one that stage that have cost them this quarterfinal. But a good effort, good valiant effort from both the teams. Great exhibition of robotics for the Doordarshan, and what a pleasure we are having. A look at that. That is the silo moment. That's where it was lost into the silo, a moment we all had been waiting for. I still believe, Sakshi, it will be a close call. We'll wait for the official announcement from TP Singh and what point they have made and how they have done it. So let's go over to him.
The result of the first quarterfinal match that was played between team in red, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology from Pune, versus team in blue, MIT World Peace University, Pune. Team in red, VIT, scored 190 points, whereas team in blue, MIT World Peace University from Pune, scored 220 points. So winner of the first quarterfinal match is team MIT from Pune.